Stripe is the tool that comes into play when your audience is ready to move from decision to conversion. When they reach that moment, you need an infrastructure that connects to the complex financial system, securely, compliantly, and reliably. Real money is moving through these transactions. Stripe supports multiple payment methods at once, including PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, SEPA for Europe, and more. And of course, it also allows your customers to pay with debit or credit cards like Visa and MasterCard. In this tutorial, you will prepare the environment so our support team can integrate it into your Plexosoft solution. We'll simply create the account and get everything ready for your Atrium Cloud or Atrium Health setup. We will publish additional videos later explaining how to use Stripe internally, but for now, let's click the Sign Up or Start Now button. As before, we should not use Google's Quick Login because that makes it almost impossible for us to provide technical support later. Instead, we'll use the same email address we've been using across all platforms, ideally with the same strong temporary password. Select the country where your project or business is legally registered, then click Create Account. Now it's time to continue with the registration. Since Stripe is a fintech company, it is heavily regulated by government institutions. Don't be surprised if they request additional details or documentation. Before proceeding, you should have already received a verification email containing a link to confirm your account. Click the link to complete that step. Once your email is verified, Stripe will redirect you to a different interface. This is the official onboarding process. It's important to recognize this page because this is where all formal information must be completed. I'll try to fill out as many fields as possible, but since this is only for demonstration, we won't submit any data. Choose your business location and business type: individual, company, or nonprofit. If you choose company, you will see additional options. Depending on your country, Stripe may ask different questions. Proceed with whatever applies to your own situation. Read each field carefully and fill out as much as you can. If you don't have some of the required information yet, you can leave those fields empty for now. Stripe will request them later, or you can return any time to complete the onboarding. Keep in mind that there will be several forms to fill out. Just take your time and submit everything once you're ready. Transparency is essential. This is not a platform where you want to make mistakes, as it may affect your reputation with Stripe. Once Stripe reviews and approves your account, you will be able to start receiving payments from your clients. For now, the important part is that you created your account, verified your email, and completed the onboarding process. You can now explore the dashboard safely and look through the different features Stripe offers. Our support team will then connect your Stripe account to your website so you can start monetizing as quickly as possible. It's also important to mention that for certain Google services, as well as MailChimp and Stripe, you need proper branding, defined logos, colors, and typography. On our website, you'll find our branding services. For a very fair price, you can get a complete package for your website, social media, and printed materials. Branding is what gives life to your online presence. It's not something you can skip. You can use our coupon Plexosoft at checkout to receive a 20% discount on that purchase. We've now completed this important step. Congratulations on setting up your payment processor, which will be tightly connected to your site. Remember to store your temporary password securely and only share it with our support team for your website installation. See you in the next one.